Mixed reactions as photos and videos of Mohbad's wedding surface online after his father's denial. Hello everyone, welcome to Crown TV. We've come again to give you another entertainment gist. Join us as we dive into this interesting gist. Please do want to click on subscribe, express yourself in the comment section, give this video a thumbs up like, and stay tuned to the updates. Photos and videos of late singer Odunlade Adekola Lateef, professionally known as Mohbad's wedding, are surfaced online. Crown TV reported that the singer's father, Joseph Aloba, had claimed that his son did not marry his wife, Naomi, before his untimely death. The singer's father has been caught in lies as photos and videos from the marriage ceremony have surfaced online. In one of the photos, Mohbad's father was seen with Wunmi alongside his estranged wife, Mohbad's mother. The photo have caused a stir online as many try to clarify Mohbad's father's statement, while others dragged him. One in a diary wrote, "I'm telling you they're trying to pin this thing in the wife." One Bukoye Amos wrote, "The father na madman, I said earlier, and I'll repeat it. Let him deny this one too. Na property he wants. He no kiss his son, I swear to God." One Boli B Skincare wrote, "In all we do, make we no shall marry or date man from a wicked family." Oh. One Lola Adeze wrote, the dad did not claim that Mohbad did not marry her. He said it was supposed to be an introduction, only for him to get there and he found out they have turned into traditional marriage. Get your facts right. One big time that God wrote, "For the fact that his son does not carry him along shows that the man is a responsible father." One Black Rosy wrote, "Sometimes your blood is the weapon fashioned against you." One in King Solange wrote, those defending this man are uncolos. He did not know it was a traditional wedding, but he wore a matching outfit, or did Imole also surprise him with a dress to wear that day? One Bojan wrote, "Now the wife they send all these videos to gist lover to post. She has to protect her paying clients by all times." One daughter wrote, "The father never knew they are married. Oh, he said they paid a bride price." One Biba Sweetie wrote, "He did not say they were not married though. He said they were married and they paid bride price, but traditional marriage not legal. That means they didn't go to court." Recall that the father of late singer Adedimeji Aloba aka Mohbad has said that Naira Marley cannot be blamed for the death of his son. He also said he regarded his son as body and that the two of them interacted like brother. We also recall that the singer father lost the admiration of many with his continuous talks about his son's death, which many stated was aimed at retrieving all his properties. During the coroner inquest some days back, Joseph Aloba had accused his son's widow wife of being unfaithful and even putting sleeping pills in his noodles. He claimed that Wunmi was sleeping with one of the singer's signees and revealed the major reason why he does not trust her. In an emotional song, Joseph Aloba cried out to God as he noted how the world was against him and was using his son to fight him. He voiced out his heartbreak over how the world is making him cry through the child his creator gave him. Thank you for listening to us. If you enjoyed this gist, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more entertainment gist. Thank you. We love you from Crown TV.